What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is pretty exciting. We are going to get some parts for the AMG. So yeah, I think we're going to get some of the intercooler and the motor mounts off of a car that's being parted out. So we're going to pretty good drive. We got to go about 4 or 5 hours away from here. So it's nighttime still, or early morning. And yeah, we're gonna get into this shit because I'm trying to get the car back on the road, and for a fraction of the price. Going cheap is not always the best, but you know, hey, we gotta do what we gotta do right now, you know. Anyways, right now we're gonna go get some gas in the F10. B's gonna be driving right now, and yeah, that's about it. So I'll see you guys on the road right now, and let's get into the day. Let's go. Don't mind the trunk full of tools, okay? We got bag, tools on this. I had to transport it in something since we're not gonna be at my dad's house with all the tools. So we got the jack stands. So a lot of tools in these bags. So hopefully we brought everything we need. Also, whenever you're going out of town, I suggest you bring some form of protection. I got mine in here. YouTube doesn't like you talking about that kind of stuff, so for those who know, you know. But yeah, stay ready, because you never know what'll happen, especially when you're going out of town. Yes, sir. Getting in the F10. Oh my goodness, the seat. Woo. Let's get that cold start. Woo. Wake all the neighbors up. Wake them up, wake them up, wake them up. We gotta get gas. Boys. Alright, gassing up the F10. For a lot of you guys that are new viewers and don't know, 91. But this is my girl's car right here. The 5 Series. And yeah, she's a sexy one, I tell you what. She's dirty right now, but yeah. We did the whole M5 front end on it. The M5 mirrors. And there's a lot in store for this car coming too. She's done some to it, but just wait. We got a new color coming. Something with the suspension's gonna happen. We're gonna complete the M5 conversion. Also, she's in an all-girls car club, Lady Legacy. Murdered out tint. That's how my girl's rolling, side by side with me and my AMG. So, she did want the M5, but I told her, no way. The M5 is so unreliable. The V10, I mean oh my god, I sound retarded with the E60. The V8 twin turbo model of this car is just garbage. So I told her no way. So what we ended up doing is we bought the practical 4-cylinder turbo and just hooked it up and made it badass. That way we have reliability. I take my BMW out of town everywhere we go to get parts and travel, and you know, we don't have any issues. So what would you guys choose? Would you know, we love the look of the car, love the way it handles, but do you want it parked and not drivable, or do you want to be able to drive your car? So plus it's a family car, so the kids, you know, go in it every day. But anyways, we're gassed up and we're done, and let's get on the road. We got about a 4.5 hour drive, I guess it says, as long as traffic's good. So let's get to this shit, man, because I'm trying to get there and get this done, you know what I'm saying? It's Sunday. And just like that, we are here pulling up. Oh my goodness, this car needs some help. But here we go. I'll show you guys. There it is. What is that? Woo. Here it is. Sad day for the CLS. Damn, I got everything. Man, oh man. Alright, so we gotta figure out how I'm gonna get these motor mounts out. Fuck. Alternator looks like it's almost out too. Alright. Right, here's the intercooler. We're gonna get to that. Alright, to give you guys a little update on the progress, I've now gotten all the wires off of right here on this side, and then moved this stuff over, and right now currently unbolted all the fuel lines and took them off all the way around. So now we just gotta pull them out and get them out of here. So there's one fuel line. I'm gonna get these all out right here. They're all kind of intertwined together, so a little bit of work. Obviously this is a part, like a car, like that we're just stealing shit from. Not literally, but in other words, like we're getting them off this car, so we're not being as polite to it as you would do to your own car. But for the most part, you know, just getting in here and getting this out. But yeah, obviously you would want to be more delicate. But yeah, so as you can see, we're just removing these. Oh, this one's still screwed on. So that's going to loosen that. The only trouble we're going to have right here is this one, because it's how it comes right here to the corner. So we'll have to pry that, but the rest of this should just pop out. Pop. These are connected right there, so I can break that seal right there. There you go. So, boom. And come on. And we should be out now. Again, I do not recommend doing it that way on your own car. If you're on your own car, I'd be taking the proper steps necessary to remove this bracket, I would assume, or actually just loosen these up and get them out of the way. So, or if you have to bend it a little bit, you gotta bend it a little bit. So anyways, that's just a little update. We're gonna attack the manifold now because all the bolts are exposed. So let's get into it. We're making good progress. Okay, so I made some good progress now. Wanted to show you guys this. Check out the turbos. There they are. For those of you that don't know where they're at, there they are. So we got the piping off that was right here to the intercooler, heat exchanger, whatever you want to call it. Got these coolant lines loosened, got the pulley off, and basically got this loose, moving, so we're just gonna pull it out now. So stay tuned. Okay, so here it is, you guys, right there. Manifold is out with the intercooler or heat exchanger. There's the center of the belly. Okay, so there's your knock sensors down there. And the transmission. Alright, so it looks like we're just about done here. Motors dropped down. I was able to pull one of the motor mounts out. The other one was already ripped. I went ahead and got the rear diffuser as well, so that's going to be going on my car. And that's pretty much it for here. We got to get back on the road, so. But yeah, this is it. If anybody else needs any parts that they see here, let me know. I'll let him know. So yeah. Crazy. Oh, I gotta get that piece real quick on the steering wheel. That's about it, but yeah, that's her. Ooh. Alright, so we're all loaded up. Got everything in the car. And we just got that really long drive back home now. Everything was pretty easy to do though. Pretty excited. Got a great deal on everything. Got a great deal. And sometimes that's what you got to do. Sometimes you got to travel and go, you know, work on things yourself, and you get the plug on the price on things. So I am not looking forward though to installing that stuff back in my car, because I can't cut anything. And also you know, you have to just placement of everything. You don't want to crack basically the intake manifold when it pulls out. It's really tight in there. Then there's a lot of assembly that needs to come out that obviously wasn't on that car in the front that I'm gonna have to take off, and then working around the wires because you can't move the wiring harness out of the way. Also taking off those fuel lines without bending them. It's gonna be a very fun task, but looking forward to it. You know, it's not gonna be too crazy. Just, you know, take my time, be slow at it. But overall, you know, it was good find. It was worth the drive. So yeah, but I mean, basically that's gonna do it for this video. You know, I appreciate everybody who's following along and interested in this stuff. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video while I throw everything in and get this thing back on the road. So all right, you guys, see you on the next one. You.